For problem number 2, it says Yao drains the oil from his motorbike into two identical cuboids with rectangular bases of width 10 centimeters and length 40 centimeters. The height of each cuboid is 5 centimeters. The oil from the motorbike fills the first cuboid completely and the second cuboid to the height of 2 centimeters. The information is shown in the following diagram. Letter A says to calculate the volume of oil drained from Yao's motorbike. All right, so we all know the volume equation of a cuboid or a rectangular prism is length times width times height. Okay, but there are two of them here. So when we're calculating the total volume of the oil, we need to do it twice. And we need to add them together since there are two of them. So the first one fills up completely. So it would be 5 times 10 times 40. The second one, since it only fills it to a height of 2 centimeters, would just be 2 times 10 times 40. So we can calculate that out. And it comes out to be a total of 2,800 centimeters cubed of oil. Before part B, it says Yao then pours all of the oil from the cuboids into an empty cylindrical container. The height of the oil in the container is 30 centimeters, and in part B, they want us to find the internal radius R of the container. So we need to know how to find the volume of a cylinder. So again, if I go to my formula booklet, the volume of the cylinder is right here, which is pi r squared h. So I'm going to use that formula for part B. So V equals pi r squared h. So they tell us the height, we're finding the radius, we're using pi, the volume, obviously if they pour the oil from the cuboids into the cylinder, has to be the same volume we found in part A. So the volume is 2,800. So 2,800 equals pi r squared times the height, which is 30. Now, this turns into an algebraic problem. We just got to get r by itself. So I'm going to get everything that is not r to the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 30 pi. That will cancel out the 30 and the pi on the right-hand side, and we're left with just r squared. Now, instead of trying to type that into my calculator, I'm just going to leave it for now, because we still have that squared above the r, so we got to take the square root of both sides to get r by itself. Now I can type all of that into the calculator at one time. And again, you can either write out the whole decimal or round it to 3 sig figs, so the radius is about 5.45 centimeters.